Another 340 vaccinations were administered today at the health department in St. Johns County. It came after what patients called a confusing and frustrating first day of the county's vaccination efforts, with many waiting hours in line to get their shots.
Today, the health department in St. Johns County also put out a notice that anyone who is taking blood thinner medications must have a note from a doctor in order to be vaccinated.
News for Jax reporters Joe McLean and Vic Michelucci are covering the vaccine rollouts in St. Johns and Duval counties.
We begin with Joe at the St. Johns County Health Department. Joe, what have you learned there?
Well, it was a quicker, a more efficient process today, likely because county manpower was brought in to help the health department here administer the vaccine. There was actually an extra lane opened up. There was still one long, big line, but there was an extra lane opened up to help get the vaccines faster. And that help is basically what commissioners yesterday were pleading with the health department here to accept. Another day, another long line stretching out from the Florida Department of Health in St. Johns County. Hundreds waited to get the much coveted shot. But today, appointment or not, the first 330 people in line were vaccinated, while the rest were told to try again tomorrow. After a chaotic day one yesterday, plagued by confusion over the appointment process, County Commissioner Jeremiah Blocker sent an urgent letter on behalf of the county government, again offering resources to help the health department, saying, quote, "It has become apparent to St. Johns County and the public as a whole that the Department of Health in St. Johns County requires additional assistance in order to complete this critical mass vaccination mission." Today, Blocker told me the health department finally accepted help.
We talked today, and the health department's formally requested our assistance in that regard. And we're looking at expanding the vaccination effort starting next week.
Blocker said county government officials are talking today and this weekend, working to expand the sites where the vaccine will be offered.
That way we can disperse the number of citizens. We want to improve the sign-up process, because right now that system is broken and not functional, and that's disconcerting.
Today, the health department announced it would continue the vaccinations this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., but didn't indicate that the first-come, first-served model would be changing. Anyone who is 65 or older, or is a healthcare worker with direct patient contact, or is a resident or staff member at a long-term care facility can be vaccinated if they get in line early enough. I have not yet heard back from the county fire and rescue department, which also continued its vaccination efforts today. I haven't heard about their vaccination numbers today, but we do know at least 925 of the county's 3,000 doses in that initial batch have already been administered. Reporting live tonight, Joe McLean, Channel 4, the local station.